how many people are having trouble with powering off their GoPro HERO 12 Black using voice command? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Access dashboard. Start by swiping down on the rear screen of your GoPro to reach the dashboard. Step 2. Switch off voice. Now, tap to switch off the voice control feature. Step 3. Say command. Once voice control is off, simply say GoPro, turn off to power off the camera. Step 4. Wait for response. Wait for the camera to respond and power down fully using the voice command. Step 5. Ensure full shutdown. Ensure to wait till the camera is completely off before moving or storing it. Step 6. Complete power off. Congratulations! You have just powered off your GoPro HERO 12 Black using voice command. After following this guide, you should now be able to easily power off your GoPro HERO 12 Black using voice command. Enjoy your GoPro experience? Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other GoPro users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.